Because the synagogue of Satan declared the northern kingdom of Israel lost instead of hidden, like the scriptures state, the kings of the earth, along with their princes, are distributing the identity and heritage of the tribes in the northern kingdom to their countries, despite their nations not practicing the customs of the Israelites, nor do they serve the Most High. Also, their nations are not called after the Most High or the patriarch to the tribes they claim to be. Even the disciples of Satan in the awakening are following after the princes of this earth, the idols they truly serve. The disciples of Satan are giving heathens and the tares heritage that don't belong to them. The tribe of Issachar is no different from the scrutiny of the synagogue of Satan and the disciples of Satan in the awakening. Issachar is the fifth son born to Jacob and Leah.